Hey garden lovers, welcome back to Homespot. Before you toss those fallen branches, stop right there because today we are turning dead wood into absolutely stunning garden art. From adorable animal sculptures to bold geometric installations, these 17 ideas will completely change the way you see every branch lying in your yard. Let's get into it. Stack your longest fallen branches into a cone, tie them at the top with natural twine, and you instantly have a stunning garden teepee. It works beautifully as a climbing frame for vines, or simply as a bold focal point. The raw bark texture adds a deeply organic, earthy charm to any spring garden corner. Fallen branches can become a graceful deer standing proudly in your garden. By wiring thin branches together into legs, a body, and sweeping antlers, you create a lifelike silhouette that feels right at home among spring wildflowers. No carving needed, just patience, wire, and the natural beauty of raw deadwood. Grab a rough wood slice and fan short dead twigs all around its edge to build an oversized sunflower that never wilts. Mount it flat against your garden fence and let the natural gray-brown tones do all the work. It is a simple yet striking piece of garden wall art made from nothing but fallen wood. With one long curved branch as the neck, a rounded wood slice as the body, and two straight sticks as legs pushed into the soil, you can build a charming flamingo yardstake. Its natural deadwood tones give it an earthy, handcrafted quality that painted plastic flamingos simply cannot match in a real garden. Turn your garden path in trance into something magical by bending and lashing flexible dead branches into a graceful arch. As climbing plants begin weaving through the structure in spring, the arch transforms into a living, breathing doorway. It costs nothing but a little effort and rewards you with a truly enchanting garden feature every single day. You do not need to live in the desert to have a cactus garden feature. Arrange thick dead branches vertically and add smaller side branches as arms to recreate the iconic saguaro silhouette. Nestle it into a gravel bed surrounded by smooth stones and low spring plants for a stunning, low-maintenance sculptural display. Weave thin dead branches over and under around a simple wire frame, and you have yourself a beautiful rustic basket planter. Fill it with fresh soil and let succulents or spring flowers spill over the edges. The contrast between the rough natural wood weave and the vibrant living plants is what makes this piece truly special. Stack log rounds for the body, add small branch offcuts for ears, and curve a longer twig into a fluffy tail. This chunky sitting fox sculpture is one of the most charming things you can build from fallen wood. Tuck it into a spring garden corner among blooming flowers and watch it steal every visitor's attention. Lash horizontal branches across two long vertical ones to build a leaning ladder shelf that leans against any garden wall. Hang small pots of spring blooms from each rung, and you have a functional display that doubles as genuine garden art. The natural dead wood tones make it look like it has always belonged there. Wire or glue-thin twigs tightly side by side inside a wire letter frame, and you have a personalized garden monogram that is completely one-of-a-kind. Display it against a fence post surrounded by fresh spring ivy, and it immediately gives your outdoor space a warm, handcrafted, personal identity that no store-bought sign ever could. Connect equal-length dead sticks at wire joints to build a geometric sphere that is as beautiful as it is useful. Hang it from a garden tree and tuck small seed cups inside to turn it into a bird feeder station. The natural wood tones and bold geometric form make this one of the most visually rewarding projects on this list. Plant a thick forked dead branch upright in a concrete-filled pot and let the natural side branches serve as hooks. Hang a straw hat, garden gloves, or a small lantern and place it in your garden corner. It is endlessly practical, completely free to make, and looks like something you would find in a high-end garden boutique. Lash concentric rings of dead twigs together with natural twine, layer by layer outward, until you have a striking circular mandala. Hang it on a garden wall where spring climbing roses bloom around it, and the effect is breathtaking. The intricate texture of overlapping natural wood rings creates a piece that is deeply meditative and visually rich. Coil one long, flexible dead branch tightly into a spiral shell shape. Mount it on a short stick body and place your finished snail on the spring lawn among wildflowers. The natural wood spiral catches morning light beautifully and gives even the smallest garden a sense of whimsy and handcrafted character that is impossible to replicate with store-bought decor. Bend a thick branch into a hoop, weave natural twine across the inside, and hang smaller twig charms and dried seed pods below on strings. This Boho Dreamcatcher, mounted on a spring garden fence, becomes a stunning statement piece. The combination of organic dead wood, hand-woven twine, and hanging elements creates a deeply textured, soulful piece of outdoor art. Lash 4 sturdy dead branches into a square frame and mount it on your garden fence as a living picture window. Let trailing spring vines and climbing flowers grow through the opening, and you have a frame that turns your garden itself into the artwork. It is one of the simplest ideas here and arguably the most poetic. Pin 8 dead branches outward from a central rough wood slice in all compass directions. Lay the whole installation flat in a gravel garden bed and burn directional letters into each branch tip. This compass rose is part garden art, part wayfinding feature, and fully conversation starting. Surrounded by spring plants and smooth pebbles, it looks truly extraordinary. That is all 17 of our favorite dead branch garden decor ideas. And the best part is every single one of them starts with something you already have in your yard. Whether you go for a coiled snail on the lawn, a peacock fan on the fence, or a full compass rose in your gravel bed, fallen branches have so much more potential than we ever give them credit for. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to Homespot for more garden inspiration every week, and drop a comment below telling us which idea you're going to try first. We read every single one,